guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I will unbox my Louis Vuitton on the go PM. But before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let's go, guys. So this is my Louis Vuitton. So when I went to the store, it was raining, so they put a plastic bag. So it will not get wet. Take off the bag. Go. Ta-da! Take it out. Oops. Oh, so this is the receipt. Yeah, this is the receipt. Right there. So receipt. So that's the receipt. Yeah. Alright. Oh, this is a card. So it's just an empty card. So if this is a present, you can put your message in here. Okay, let's take it off like that. This one. Oh, nope. So it's just like that. Ta-da! So, go. So let's put this. Do like that. Like this. Here you go. So that's the. Alright, so here we go, guys. So let's do like this one. So like that. So, oh, in the box, let's see. So nothing. So here, this is what it looks like. So this is the on the go PM. Here we go. Yep. And then so you can take it out. So it comes with the strap. Oh, so like that. Comes with the, yep. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yep. And then you can just and then this is inside, so they have pockets, and then there's a zipper, know. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's it. It's pretty, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I just like small purses. Alright. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. What do you think? So guys, this is what it looks like when you wear it. So you can do like this. So usually I carry my purse like this, or you can do like this, or this, like that, or if you don't like the string, you can just take this off and do like this, like that, or like this. What do you think, guys? So which one do you prefer? You can comment down below which one do you like, how you carry your purse. But me, I like this, so I can move my hands. So what do you think, guys? Alright guys, that's it for my vlog today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.